Hi guys! Hi everybody! Hi! How is everybody doing? I am doing great today. Today is Monday. I'm not at work, I'm doing great. I took the day off just to start on some stuff and I'm basically finished what I had to do. So I was just here at home feeling bored, never have anything great of such to do. And then the thought came to mind a while ago to do a video. I was there wondering like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? So I got the idea not too long ago and I said, alright, you know what? Let me just put some thoughts together and just come and talk. The thought was typical proverbs are not typical. Some proverbs are sayings that Jamaicans normally say. Um, when I was thinking about it, it's so funny that us as Jamaican, with Jamaican culture really it's really diverse, it's very rich. I remembered in high school I learned the term melting pot, and it's like a pot with everything in it. And as the Jamaican motto says, out of many one people, we're literally out. Don't watch me here, please. Nobody don't pay me here, no man. Like probably I wonder like why me looks up. I just finally pulled out my hair because I had the sewing here. If you guys watch my other videos, my previous videos, you'll see the hair that I had in at that time. Trust me, the hair thing, the thing I made up and wasn't a good experience. And since I pull out the hair, some things in my on my scalp, on my hairline, that is for another video. A whole next story that. Anyway, so I was there thinking and whatever, and the thought came to mind like culture really diverse. Out of many one people, like, we really come out of one whole heap of we. Out of many, we are really one people. So, um, normally you'd hear some proverbs and they're just so distinct to Jamaica. And I found some others that that I'm going to mention in this video. So I had a few in mind, and I even came across some others, and I said, alright, let's make a video and just talk about it. So, just to give you a basic example of what I'm talking about, the first one says, I am from Jamaica, where aloe vera is called single Bible. So we all know what the aloe plant look like, but us as Jamaicans, we don't say aloe vera, we say single Bible. I don't say single Bible. Like how that correlation they form, I have no idea how that correlation form. Aloe vera, single Bible. You know, see the connection. I don't know how us as Jamaicans get that connection, but we didn't form that connection. The other one, I'm from Jamaica where the bottom of the rice is called bun bun. As in, you kind of can see the correlation in a little sense because the bottom of the rice, as in the very bottom of the pot, it is going to be slightly burnt in a little sense. So you can kind of see where that correlation comes about when you say bun bun. Us as Jamaicans say bun bun. I've never come across another set of persons that say the term bun bun. Alright, the next one it is I am from Jamaica where when people are chat you and when them see you come, them say you're gonna live long. I don't know how that one come about, but that's just how us as Jamaicans tend to say. Me sit down and just talk about a particular person. I talk about Kayla. Only if you see Kayla walk come in a room, then I go to Kayla, you're gonna live long, Kayla. Come there talk about you a while ago, I like that really me. I don't know how that come across, but like that one really come across. I am from Jamaica, where every diaper is called Pampers. Very few people actually know that Pampers is a brand. The the thing that babies wear is called diaper. But there's one particular brand which is called Pampers. There's so many other brands out there on the market. But us as Jamaican, we call all of them Pampers. I'm from Jamaica where every location is just around the corner. Make one Jamaican ever give one a direction if you go find somewhere or go somewhere. Just round the corner, up the hill, or just down this so take a left turn, round this so. That's all again here. Round the corner or just up this so. I'm from Jamaica where pomegranate, I think that's the correct pronunciation. Pomegranate. That's the fruit with the yellow seeds inside. Pomegranate is called panganat. We as Jamaicans, we don't say pomegranate or pomegranate. We just say panganat. And that's one of the other ones. Like if you tell a person to spell panganat, no people can spell it. Also, every Chinese is called, whether the female or male, Mr. Chin or Mr. Chin, Miss Chin or Mr. Chin. Like you don't even know if they're not Chinese, but they have the Asian look. And the thing is, you see us as Jamaicans, we just see them with the straight hair and the light skin, and we say, oh, they are Chinese. We don't necessarily take the time out to differentiate and say some are Japanese and some are Chinese, and you have some that are Thai. The Thai ones and the Philippines, the Filipinos, they look a bit similar because they're all from Asia, but they have their distinct differences. But as Jamaicans, we just see them and we just jump and say, oh, one of them are Chinese, Miss Chin or Mr. Chin, like that. And every Indian is referred to as coolie. I've called someone coolie once. The person is Indian, but I didn't know the person's name, but I want to take the person's attention because I think it was the rag or something that fell on the ground. And I say, hey, coolie boy, the rag dropped on the ground. Him turned and I take up the rag, you know. But he said to me, I'm going to call him coolie. So I say, why? But you're coolie? He must say, no, call me Indian. Coolie are weak people. That's how they refer to it as saying coolie are the weaker Indians. Weaker in the sense that they're easily defeated, as in just generally life overall. They tend to be weaker. I'm from Jamaica, not that funny. I'm from Jamaica where when you're to pluralize something, you just add the word them. DEM is a Jamaican word for them, THEM, them. So the plural for man is not men. In the Jamaican context, I mean, you say them and them. Like, here's a comb. You don't say combs. The comb them. Or the two comb them. Pencil. The two pencil them. Or the pencil them. We don't say pencils or combs. We say the comb them. The pencil them. Like, oh my gosh. I'm from Jamaica. Don't want to pick out Jamaica as well. I'm from Jamaica, where as you feel pain, them say a gas pain. Or a gas you have. Any pain you have, a gas cause it. Like legit anything at all, a gas. And for self gas, go drink tea. For self gas, go drink tea. Your head hurt you, I guess you have. Your shoulder hurt me, I guess you have. Like legit everything, I guess you have. If you go drink tea, if you feel better. Oh, listen to that one here as well. I'm from Jamaica where you are called baby mother even when the child is 30 years old. Yeah, like all when they fit me a big man and big woman, them say I'm a baby mother that. I'm from Jamaica where when you're calling the goat or running the goat, as in the animal goat, when I run the goat, them are call them, they say sh or she, or so if you run the goat, them are called the goat. And I'm from Jamaica where corned beef, as in that's the tin corned beef, is called bully beef. We don't know if there's nobody that called corned beef bully beef, but we don't know how we get the bully beef. But enough people, if I say corned beef, they may not know what you're talking about. But say the word bully beef, they know exactly what you're talking about. And also, this comes in a sense of respect, how we are grown. I'm from Jamaica where when you're talking to an adult, you have to refer to them using Mr. or Miss along with their surnames. So this, you tend to find this emphasized a lot when you're around older persons. As in, I'm not saying younger persons don't push it or emphasize it, but a lot of older persons, like when you grew up with their granny, you have to say Miss Jackie. Or if you not call her Jackie as in the lady's first name, you have to say Miss whatever the person's last name is. You can't call them Jackie pan one hand or whatever pan one hand, you get a box in your face by your grandmother, your auntie or whoever. I am from Jamaica where you avoid a person just because your spirit not take them. As in us as Jamaicans, when we say we spirit not take somebody, as in you have had very minimal interaction with the person, like maybe like one and two interaction instances where when you and a person exchange words and your spirit not take the person, as in you don't feel the connection there with the person. So just because you want to avoid them, you say, "My spirit not take that girl, I'm just not run her again, my spirit just don't take her." And I'm from Jamaica where when you're referring to KFC, some persons say Kingston Fall Cub. KFC is Kentucky Fried Chicken, but a lot of persons say Kingston Fall Cub. As in, I guess they associate KFC with Kingston or Kingston with KFC. As in, they a lot of persons when they're going to Kingston from the country person from a country perspective, when they're going to Kingston, you're looking forward to get back KFC or the person to bring back KFC for you. Or if you're going to Kingston yourself, as like KFC, one of them things they were, if you go on trip to Kingston, the trip not complete unless you go to KFC. I don't know why we have this mindset where when the schools are leaving the country part of Jamaica and you're going to Kingston, the trip not complete unless you go to KFC. I don't know how or why, but the trip is not complete if you don't go to KFC. And I'm from Jamaica where sneakers are called crepe. Every single sneakers you have in name crepe. I don't know how or why. I'm from Jamaica where any and every hot beverage is called tea. People call coffee tea. People call any other hot beverage there is, them call it tea. And I'm from Jamaica where my eyes keep itching me. Sorry for constantly rubbing my eyes. I'm from Jamaica where thorns are called maca. As in thorn, as in a prickly thing that grows on plants to stick you, like if you touch it, it sticks you. It's called maca. I'm not sure how that links, but that's just how we call it here in Jamaica. I'm all this other one as well. I'm from Jamaica where avocado is referred to as pear. Outside of Jamaican context, pear is something totally different from avocado. In an American setting, you may say, pear is a fruit, a sweetish tasting kind of fruit, whereas avocado is something totally different. Totally different. But us here in Jamaica, every avocado name. If I tell somebody name avocado, if I tell somebody some avocado, them probably don't know what you're talking about. But if I say the word peer, they know what you're talking about. I'm from Jamaica, where if a man fathers a child that is not his biologically, that child is a jacket. Um, I just saw it grow and know say if a man I take care of one picnic, one of female one, does know say a jacket they take it. Or some men they knowingly accept the quote unquote jacket, where some men them don't know say the woman give them jacket. But the fact that you're fathering or parenting that child that is not biologically yours, Jamaicans say you get a jacket. And our jacket will fit you or something like that. I am from Jamaica where fritters is called flitters. And I guess that came about because of maybe because we don't put the effort in pronouncing our words properly. I'm guessing that's because we don't make the effort to pronounce our words properly. Because fritters is pretty close to flitters. FR fritters, FL flitters. So I guess it's more a case, I'm guessing, I'm only assuming based on my opinion, that it is because we don't put the effort in pronouncing our words properly. So that's how we end up with flitters, I guess. I am from Jamaica, where two people are referred to as uno. In Spanish, uno, UNO, or uno, is one. And the same UNO, uno, that's what we say as Jamaicans, uno, that is when it's more than one person. So, two persons over here, so I say uno. Or if I talk to them, I say uno. To get what I mean. And tea can cure absolutely everything, as me that said before. Your head hurt, you go drink tea. Your ankle hurt, you go drink tea. Your cripple go drink tea. Your bone broke, go drink tea. Everything go drink tea. Oh God, I'm reading this other one that I came across. I'm from Jamaica where your mother send you a shop and catch you a play up on the road and say come go up. As in normally in the country area, like when the mother said I go a shop and she come catch her play up on the road, she normally run and say come go up. Yeah, and I heard this one recently that I'm just reading now. I'm from the island of Jamaica where if your foot bottom itches, you will soon be walking on a grave or dirt near to a funeral setting. I've heard this one before, but I don't know. I've heard like one source before. Never heard it in another scenario before. Oh, I'm from Jamaica where the elderly refer to powder detergent as fab. A Jamaican alone called powdered detergent fab. And every newspaper is called Gleaner. So there are more than one newspaper companies here in Jamaica, and Gleaner is one of those that have been long around, and absolutely every newspaper is called Gleaner, as in people refer to as the prestigious newspaper a Gleaner. People just refer to everything Gleaner, and every sanitary napkin them call it Stay Free. And funny thing, Stay Free is only a brand. As I was saying about the Pampers thing, Pampers is as a brand. The thing is, it's called diaper, but Pampers is only one of the many brands. Same thing with sanitary napkin. Sanitary napkin is just the name for all of them, but Stay Free is one of the many brands. But us Jamaicans, we just call all of them Stay Free. Yeah, that's basically it for this that I'm seeing here. Oh, see one other one here me come across now. I'm from Jamaica. Jamaica where dumpling is called flour or cartwheel. And another one, I'm from Jamaica where cooking outside the yard with a group of friends is called run a boat. That's how we normally say you have a run a boat with your friend them. And every dumpling is called cartwheel. Or some people don't say dumpling, some people say flour. You go boil two flour. You go boil two cartwheel. And when you say cartwheel, are the very big ones them called cartwheel. As in that's what they refer to as a boiled dumpling. Well, yeah, that's basically it. There are so many here. Like so many here. So many here. If you guys know any other ones, you can comment down below, like the others that you come across or have heard about before, and whatever your interpretations are about those common Jamaican phrases or proverbs, whatever you want to call them. Um, I was just having a normal day, and I just sorry I can do a video about this and talk about this. And yeah, and final, and then eventually I realized I come across whole heap others where they're just distinct to us as Jamaicans. They really identify us, like really identify us. That we stand out anywhere we go, and our language, our dialect is like so distinct. Our accent cannot be hidden. Like it just can't hide. Like honestly, it cannot be hidden. Proud to be a Jamaican. Like really proud to be a Jamaican. So as that's basically it for this video, guys. Comment down below what your thoughts are. Feel free to like, comment, share my videos as well, and also remember to subscribe to my videos. Bye, guys.